Fucking white bitch. I see so many people. Oh my goodness. Oh, there he is, right there. The one with the red hoodie. Ugly bitch. Fucking cunt piece of shit. I see you. I'm definitely a great friend. He didn't give me candy, so he's a bitch. Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Oh, senior order week? Damn. What's in here?
Unboxing time.
Unboxing time. Oh my goodness. We don't know what's in here. Alright, boys. Today we have refits first. Okay, bet. So it's in senior order. Order Johnston, blah blah blah. Damn, I don't think I can show that. $310. Cardinal package. Nice. Leather jackets. Leather jackets. $211. That's so expensive.
Yeah, fuck no. I found Richard. He's at the very fucking car.
Fucking fat ass. Piece of shit. Fuck you. Okay, I can't do that. I can't do that.
You probably just flipped off someone.
Maybe. Oh, there's also something. 2020, class of 2022. Yeah. Choice personal keyring, choice hoodie, 2 t-shirt, bag. Nice. Oh, there's more in here. There's more. Oh my goodness, there's a calendar. Oh my god, Shauna Senior. Rings. Oh my god, the flex, the jewelry. Damn, some dumbass piece of shit right here. Look at that. What's this?
I think it's within size.
Oh, so we're gonna get a ring?
Yeah.
Am I gonna get married?
Fuck no. Virgin ass.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get married, guys. Oh yeah. I'm size. Wait, is this close to our ring finger?
I think it's this one. Yeah, this one's big finger.
Oh, so we're getting married.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
I bet. No, I'm this size.
I'm size this size.
I'm size this size right here. 11.5, just like my shoes. Yeah, I'm size 11.5. You can't tell. I'm size 11.5. Size 11.5. There you go. Ring finger. Oh yeah. Get married. We're getting freaking married. Let's go, boys. Graduation diploma information. Hey, let's go. If we need some information. Oh yeah, dude.
Today, we're going to hear all kinds of good things about the end of the year graduation of graduation packages. We are super excited to have LA here from Johnston. He's been our rep for a long time. He has answers to every single question you might have. So please pay attention to LA and then save your questions for the end when you ask for, or we can give you a way to get your questions to us electronically as well. All right, good morning. How is everyone? So I'm going to try to stand in the center here so that I can see everybody and I'll try to move the other things we look around the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm not recording this part. Screw that.
You guys all get passions over here?
You're not putting to my ad.
You don't have a alright, senior apparel. How many of you guys like hoodies here in the Northwest? Yeah. So we have all of those things for you. They are class of 22 specific. They are not specific to your school. They are class of 2022 all over the nation. This year we have a new thing called Closing Through. It's very, very comfortable. And it's a material that has been created especially for doctors. You can't get it anywhere else. It's very soft. And so this is the new that we have this year. And I wish I could have shown this, but they just have a lot of them. They're in there as well. And then you have just the chassis. Everybody loves chassis. What do you guys do with a chassis when you first get it? Exactly. Put them in your cars or wherever you're riding.
Hell no.
Gravitas is what graduation is all about. So you see there, it's your choice on the right and the left-hand side of the screen.
Oh, fine, it's over. Jeez, I just got talked too much. I didn't put in the video because it's so boring. It is cool. It's cool.
Okay, so we'll be using over that.
I'm gonna take it though.
Do not take my shit. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone.
Okay.
Shout it out. I can't see who's talking, but shout it out.
I saw that.
Bro, sorry, set the fire alarm, bro. Oh, shit.
Big ass thing, man.
Someone did the devious lick. Someone did the devious lick. Bro, what's going to happen? What's going to happen?
Who has a test today? Somebody has a test to move the alarm.
What?
Doing that today. I wish this is really amazing. Hey.
Yo, let's go.
The thing is, you know for a fact it wasn't any of the fucking seniors too. It's fucking one of the dumbass freshmen.
Fucking dumbass freshman, man.
Who's the dumbass? Pull the fucking fire alarm. I swear to God.
I know.
First assembly. First assembly.
First assembly. Yo, but yo, what's up?
Oh, people over there. He saw the police, the guy here so fast.
Yeah, he said someone did a test and pulled a fire alarm because they realized the test was so hard. He's like, oh fuck, I'm gonna put the fire alarm.
Oh shit, I lost my teacher. Well, fuck.
I lost my teacher too.
Yeah, I made a bunch of rings. Oh, I was fucking looking at this shit. Oh my god.
Damn, bro. The first day of assembly.
That was clearly you. That is disappointed.
Yeah, you're a freshman.
I'm just a freshman.
Hey, Matt.
Look at this. Look how many people outside due to the cost of a false fire alarm.
There's no way it was the only class that I can have that's culinary, but fucking culinary can't go on. It's like Toronto Connect.
We're supposed to be at school today, but this happened.
I have a
Fire
test
alarm.
next period too, so.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have no time, man, during the test.
I think what am I gonna say? Oh no, it's not that.
I bet some of these are freshmen here, right? And probably one of the victims are here. There could be a chance.
There's a legit thing.
Yeah.
I wonder where Richard went at all.
He went to suck his mom. He went to suck his mom, man.
I know.